The roar of the lion symbolized power. Welcome to the Lion Leather Factory. Here, we prevent extinction by growing the world's most coveted material in a lab.
It begins with a single, non-invasive cell sample. No animals are harmed. We are the architects of a new ethical era.
Inside the bioreactor, we recreate the process of skin growth. These vertical farms nurture the collagen network. We control the density, making it stronger than any wild hide could ever be. Automated nutrient delivery ensures perfect grain structure. There are no scars, no parasites, and no waste. We program the cellular matrix to mimic the distinct, rugged texture of the African lion, down to the microscopic pore. In just 14 days, we achieve a thickness that would take a wild animal 5 years to develop.
The harvest is ready. This is raw, cruelty-free collagen, the canvas for our masterpiece.
Consistency is key. Every micron is measured to ensure it meets the royal grade standard. We skip the toxic chemicals of the past. Our tanning process uses organic plant enzymes and UV light. To recreate the legendary roar texture, we use high-pressure bioprinting. Thousands of tons of pressure align the fibers, creating the signature rugged grooves that define this exotic material.
Laser verification ensures the pattern is indistinguishable from the real thing, protecting the legacy without the bloodshed.
Softening is an art. We tumble the sheets with ceramic stones to break the stiffness, giving it a buttery, luxurious drape.
Flexible, yet unbreakable. It has the tensile strength of Kevlar, but the touch of silk.
We dye the leather in Savannah Gold, a proprietary blend that captures the hue of the lion's coat at sunset. The biofibers lock in the color permanently. It will not fade, even under the harshest desert sun. Slow drying seals the surface. This creates the patina potential that collectors desire. We push the material to the limit. It must withstand forces that would tear traditional leather apart.
Paradoxically, we engineer slight imperfections. Perfection looks fake. These flaws make it feel alive.
Now, science hands the baton to tradition. The material enters the hands of our master artisan. Even with high-tech material, the cutting is done by hand to ensure the grain flows with the design. It cuts cleanly, with a density that resists the blade. Every slice must be deliberate. We reduce the edges to a featherweight thickness for folding. This ensures the final product is sleek, not bulky. Assembly begins. We use a water-based adhesive that bonds at the molecular level.
We use 18-karat gold-infused thread. The contrast against the tawny leather is the signature of the Roar collection.
Flattening the seams locks the stitch and creates a watertight seal.
The edges are hand-painted. 5 layers, sanded between each application for a glass-smooth finish.
A heated crease adds a decorative line and seals the fibers against humidity. The emblem is set, a symbol of the beast we honor and protect.
The result is a travel bag that commands attention. Rugged, regal, and responsibly made.
Our self-healing technology means scratches fade with a simple rub of the finger.
It is hydrophobic. Rain or spills simply slide off the engineered surface.
Fire-resistant properties ensure your belongings are safe, even in extreme conditions.
The luxury extends inside. We line our goods with bamboo velvet, soft, sustainable, and durable.
From luggage to outerwear, BioLion leather is redefining the boundaries of high fashion.
This label is more than a brand. It is a statement, a promise to the future.
We polish it to a semi-gloss finish, highlighting the depth of the engineered grain.
A full collection. The roar of luxury without the silence of the wild.
Discerning clients know that true luxury today means having a clean conscience.
In the past, this bag would have cost a life. Today, it costs only innovation. When technology collaborates with craftsmanship, we solve the oldest problems of our industry.
The real kings of the savannah remain where they belong, wild and free. Scalability means we can replace the entire illegal trade with a superior legal alternative.
We teach the world that you don't need to destroy to create beauty.
Every package shipped is a victory for conservation. The lab never sleeps. The growth continues. The sounds of progress are quiet, precise, and purposeful.
Can you tell the difference? Neither can the experts. And that is the point.
This is the new standard. This is the roar of the future. Join us in the revolution. Choose materials that heal the planet.
By supporting ethical luxury, you directly fund the protection of the wild prides.
We open our doors to the next generation, teaching them to prevent the mistakes of the past.
Nature inspired it. Science built it. You enjoy it.
Cruelty-free. Guilt-free.
If you believe in this future, hit subscribe and share this story.
Thank you for watching Inside the Lion Leather Factory.
We couldn't have done this without the tireless efforts of our team. The future of medicine starts here.
Stay tuned for our next deep dive.